The three requirements of modern office desktops are docking stations with more interfaces, regulating heat extraction and height-adjusting brackets. Gorgeous and unique desktop storage organizers will bring you a fine new generation of office desktops. Xfanic. Xfanic has 8 functional interfaces. On laptops, iPads, and mobile phones, it can expand videos, fetch data, charge PD, which will meet all of your interface requirements. Besides, Xfanic's unique dual USB-C port design will support any input format. No matter whether it's PD charging or data interface, you can plug it in at will. Thus will save you an interface selection time, and it is stable and highly efficient. Pull out the support frame, the second extensive form of Xfanic. The expansion bracket is created. The foldable design makes it easy to stretch out and draw back. In order to make the bracket more stable, Xfanic uses aluminum alloy as a whole. The whole piece weighs 650 grams. It feels heavy regardless of whether it is held in the hand or placed on the table. In addition, TPU anti-skid pads and anti-skid buckles are added in many parts, which will not only protect your precious thing from being scratched, but also support its stability. The expansion bracket also supports multi-angle adjustments. The product can be adjusted to a comfortable position at will. The design of the grid slot and the bracket also improves the contact area between the notebook's heat dissipation area and the air to its greatest extent due to the aluminum alloy material. What should we do if the desktop is messy and there are many digital devices? Xfanic also has a third form of expansion, the design of a storage base and a grid slot. While we use many digital devices, let us organize our desk space in an easier way. And most importantly, this design effectively avoids the desktop being fully cluttered with data wires. Improve work efficiency and at the same time make yourself feel happy. This is Xfanic, an expansion bracket with storage function, which is your indispensable desktop magical object. We are committed to the field of desktop data transmission. For this purpose, we have developed more products of the same type, specially have set up a complete production supply chain, as well as put a lot of effort into the product performance testing. Therefore, we hope to get your support for the efforts that we have put. Make a difference with Xfanic, joining us and backers on Kickstarter today. Xfanic. Make a difference.